Are you ready to take your Konpa dance moves to the next level? Do you want to learn new move styles and impress everyone on the dance floor? Then join our 4-week dance course today. We're starting with a dance social on Wednesday, March 1st, starting at 8 p.m. with DJ Mix playing the best Konpa and Souk. Our Konpa course is designed for beginners and intermediate. If you feel you have 2 left feet, we got you covered. Our experienced Konpa instructor will guide you through each step, ensuring that you have fun while over the course of 4 weeks, you will develop your skills, improve your coordination, and build your confidence on the dance floor. And best of all, you'll meet new people who share your passion for dance. So don't wait any longer. Sign up for our 4-week Konpa dance course today and unleash your inner dancer. danceakonpa.eventbrite.com, text or call 813-384-8502. See you all Wednesday at 82 West Distilling, 6430 N Florida Avenue, Tampa.